Duden Wonderland. This is another place I had on my list before I came that I want to visit. So, just park the car over there. And the first thing I saw when I parked the car, how beautiful this area is. Really nice. There's tables where you sit in front of the beach. Green grass. Everything nice and organized. Where children can play. Look. This is all a big, massive park with children playing. And that's the sea there. So, I came to see the waterfall. So, waterfall on my left. Okay. So, I'm in this bit now, and I can hear the water. Wow, look how strong it's coming down. Wow. It's really coming down strong, you know. So, where's this waterfall? There's even a big park there, look. It's all parks, I guess, all the way, yeah? So, I'm gonna walk through here. Again, tables, chairs. People having a drink, everything nice, organized. It's even shady here. Beautiful, it's really nice, Antalya. It's a shame I only came for 2 days. Happy people here. Look, he's done with that thing with the ice cream again. Look how nice. This. Unbelievable. Eh? So here there's like a boardwalk. It's okay. Oh, that's the water I was looking at, look. That's the water I just saw. Somebody was just doing a zip line here. There's a zip line. That's that park I saw. And that continues. So on the other side of the boardwalk, there's the water, and now I want to see the waterfall. So from where do you see it best? My God, it's so beautiful here. Really nice. Here are even boats, look. I can see 3 boats. So I guess they bring the tourists to see the waterfall falling into the sea. But I'm gonna see if I can find a better place to see it from. Yeah, here is definitely better. Look. Look how strong it comes down into the sea. All that water is gonna go into the sea. So much water. By the way, this was free for the parking, free from entering this park, and it's all free. All this beauty. Free, free, free. Okay, so this is the best spot. Really nice. Here is the continuation of the park on both sides of the waterfall. I have no idea how long it goes, but I guess it will go as far as the eyes can see from both ends. Look, because even if I go from the waterfalls onwards there, it's all park, you see. Beautiful. Okay, so from this area, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I'm gonna put the mobile away. Maybe I stay here for an hour because it's so nice here. Not so many people. Maybe I can walk a little bit the way where the water is coming from, and I'll have another look at the waterfall from different angles. So this is just to show how well treated the customers of every section of the beach are. This is the entrance of Palm Beach. Obviously there's gonna be where to park the car. It's a free entrance, and you bring your car in and you park it in the shade because they provided these tents. So I came into the entrance of Palm Beach, the section, parked my car there free of charge, and the car is covered from the sun. Now I will walk to Palm Beach and show you. So now I came to the beaches of beautiful Antalya. I am walking on a pier here, and all the beaches have a different name. For example, this one where I parked my car, it's called Palm Beach, and it's just a small section from the long massive beach. Now if I look as far as the eye can see, there's other piers coming out. With my eyes from here I can see at least 4. So that would be another 4 different name beaches. If I look onto the other side, I can see just a pier here, and as far as the eye can see, I can see another 2 piers. So I guess that would be another beach and another beach, another beach, and they all give them all these different names. But as I was driving with the car, it all said Lara Beach. Lara Beach, I guess it's the main beach. But here, where I stopped with the car, and I'll be moving now to another part, where I stopped with the car, it's called Palm Beach. And there is palms, but there's palms everywhere. As usually, I don't need to say, you can see it yourselves. Everything organized, quiet, no rush, relax. As you could even see from the car park, relax. And where to eat and where to drink. And you take a deck chair and swim and whatever you want to do. Okay, this is another part of this massive Lara beach. And here it looks like where the locals comes. Even the beach has provided barbecues, so they can cook their barbecue, cook the things they bring with them, and then they can sit on one of these tables and chairs. It really smells nice because of the barbecue smell, and there's a lot here. So this is, I guess, the part where the locals comes and they swim and they cook and they enjoy themselves, and they can even do a barbecue, which is provided, the equipment provided by the state. All they have to do is bring their meat, which they like a lot here. I like the fact as well that they make pathways, you know. So you park the car out there, and then you've got this section, you've got a pathway, and then you've got this section, and then you eventually come to the beach, you know. So I just walked from there, and then there is another pathway here. And then the beach actually starts. See? Now this part is just for people to come and lay on the sand. So there's no deck chairs, no umbrellas, unless they bring their own. So here there is the bus terminus, I guess, of Lara Beach, and there's the bus drivers here, and they come in this little shop here and take a tea. I said why not, and I took one for the road, a chai. See, no, I don't mind, they're okay, they just nod, they don't speak English. And I'm gonna have a nice chai here now, because I'm tired now walking on the beach, you know, and it's very, very hot.